Okay. Program is count the sum of numbers in the alphabets. Okay, I want to count the number of numbers in the alpha string. One ABC. In one ABC string, numeric value digits are 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6. That's why I want to find the digits. After that, I can add the digits into one variable. Okay, if you want to write this program using Python, S equals to input of, then I want to, okay, sum equal to 0. You can take some result equal to 0. Then I want to retrieve one by one character from the string. If I in S. After that, I want to find I is digit or not. In free different method, each digit of. It identifies that this is digit or not. If it is digit, S equals to S plus. Actually, that is in string form character. I want to convert that one into string. Otherwise, S equals to S plus I. If you write this one, print yes. Sorry, RES, not S. If you write this one, run and say error. Why it is error means runtime error. What is the runtime error? Int and str. Actually, I is I want to retrieve one by one character from the string. That's why either characters are but RES is integer variable. That's why it is not possible. That's why you can convert I into integer value. That means character into integer value. Then it is working. Okay.